Hello dear viewers. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. In today's video, Nature-Inspired Beauty, DIY wood log planter ideas, we are diving into the world of rustic charm and organic design with one of the most beautiful ways to bring the outdoors in, handcrafted wood log planters. Whether you're a nature lover, a DIY enthusiast, or just looking to add a warm, earthy touch to your home or garden, this video is packed with inspiration and easy-to-follow ideas. Wood log planters are not only visually stunning, but they are also an eco-friendly way to repurpose fallen logs or leftover wood. Each planter brings unique textures and shapes straight from nature, making every piece one of a kind. From small herb holders to bold statement pieces for your yard, you'll see how logs can be transformed into living, breathing decor. So grab your tools and your imagination, and let Kuki Decor guide you through simple techniques, helpful tips, and creative ways to turn ordinary logs into extraordinary planters. Let's reconnect with nature and add a touch of rustic elegance to your space, one log at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more nature-inspired home decor ideas. In a world that often leans towards sleek, synthetic design, there's something undeniably grounding about bringing raw, organic elements into your living space. One of the most charming and practical ways to reconnect with nature is by embracing wood log planter ideas. These planters, made from salvaged or freshly cut logs, add a natural, rustic beauty to both indoor and outdoor settings. With their rich textures, earthy tones, and imperfect forms, they effortlessly blur the boundary between nature and design, reminding us of the forest, the earth, and the timeless appeal of handcrafted decor. A wood log planter isn't just a container for plants. It's a sculptural piece that honors the material's origin and celebrates sustainability. Crafting your own wood log planter opens a world of creative expression. Unlike mass-produced plastic or ceramic pots, a log planter can be tailored to your unique aesthetic, whether that's rugged and primitive or polished and minimalist. You begin by selecting the right type of wood, ideally something hardwood like oak, maple, or even cedar, as these are more resistant to decay and insects. Each log tells its own story, with rings, knots, and grain patterns that can't be replicated. That individuality becomes part of the planter's charm. Once hollowed out, either by hand or with the help of power tools, the log can be sanded, shaped, or left raw to suit your design preference. You might choose to preserve the bark for a wild, woodland look or strip it away for a more refined appearance. Functionally, wood log planters provide an excellent environment for many types of plants. The natural insulation of wood helps regulate soil temperature, keeping roots cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Additionally, wood breathes, allowing for better moisture balance, especially when paired with a proper drainage system. Drilling drainage holes is essential to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Some DIYers go a step further and line the hollowed-out cavity with landscape fabric or a waterproof membrane to extend the life of the wood and make it easier to clean and maintain. The aesthetic appeal of wood log planters is deeply rooted in their organic presence. In a garden setting, they blend seamlessly with surrounding flora, enhancing the sense of a curated yet naturalistic environment. Place them along stone paths, nestled beneath trees, or even mounted on fences and walls for a vertical garden effect. The versatility of logs means you can create planters in a wide range of sizes, from small, tabletop succulent holders to large, commanding pieces that serve as focal points in a garden bed. Indoors, they bring a woodland charm to modern homes. Imagine a log planter holding herbs in your kitchen, ferns in your bathroom, or cascading ivy on a windowsill. Their presence evokes a calming connection to the outdoors, which is particularly appealing in urban spaces that lack direct access to greenery. For those who enjoy upcycling or sustainable living, wood log planter projects offer a meaningful way to reduce waste and reuse natural resources. Fallen trees, trimmed branches, or storm debris can all be transformed into something useful and beautiful. This approach not only minimizes environmental impact, but also makes the project more affordable. There's a rewarding sense of craftsmanship in turning a discarded log into a vessel that nurtures new life. Each planter becomes a small tribute to the cycle of growth, decay, and rebirth that defines the natural world. Decorative touches can further enhance the uniqueness of your wood log planter. You might carve simple designs into the bark, or attach rope handles for a rustic, portable look. A layer of beeswax or natural oil can be applied to bring out the grain and protect the wood from moisture. Some choose to burn patterns onto the surface using the ancient technique of shosuji ban, which not only darkens and beautifies the wood, but also helps preserve it. The result is a planter that's not only functional, but also a true work of art, a conversation piece that reflects both your style and your values. Even the process of making a wood log planter can be therapeutic. It invites you to slow down, work with your hands, and engage with materials in a tactile, grounded way. Whether you're hollowing a log with chisels or smoothing the edges with sandpaper, each step is a form of creative meditation. There's something deeply satisfying about transforming raw, natural material into something purposeful and alive. And when you place a thriving plant inside your handmade planter, you complete a circle of nature and nurture. Wood log planters also make thoughtful, personalized gifts. Imagine giving a friend or loved one a hand-carved log filled with their favorite herbs or succulents. It's a gift that carries the warmth of craftsmanship and the vitality of living plants, a rare combination that speaks to both heart and home. These planters can be themed for holidays, housewarmings, weddings, or simply offered as a gesture of appreciation. Their rustic elegance and handmade charm make them suitable for any occasion. Ultimately, DIY wood log planter ideas invite us to rethink how we interact with natural materials. They encourage sustainability, creativity, and connection to nature, to the act of making, and to the spaces we inhabit. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner with a handsaw and a vision, creating a log planter is a project that promises beauty and meaning in equal measure. As you work with the grain, carve out the core, and fill it with soil and life, you're not just building a container for plants, you're crafting a piece of your story, one rooted in nature, growth, and timeless design. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new videos. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.